Let's learn the moonwalk. So it's human nature to be scared if a move feels dangerous. So if you fall, don't feel bad. You can blame it on the boogie. Before you start this trick, you need to have a really confident backwards skate because we are moving backwards the entire time. You also need to, as usual, be able to balance on one foot quite competently and be able to transfer your weight. And if you can do all of those things, this move will be as easy as ABC. Start off rolling, a little bit of speed, and then what you're going to do is slide one foot back, and then you're going to put most of the weight on that foot. Then you're going to swap over, and most of the weight's going to go on that foot. First of all, you need to know where your toe stops are, so just stand on your toe stops and get the feel of where they are. And then what you're going to do is stand on both toe stops and step back. Then you're going to put the front foot onto four wheels and pull the front foot level with the other foot. And then we're going to do that on both feet. So this move is the foundation, so you really need to practice this, so don't stop until you get enough. Right, so now we're going to try moving. So remember the time I showed you how to do it in place? We're now going to do the exact same thing, but with a bit of roll. When you're putting your toe stop in backwards, think about when you stop backwards. So you want that action of your toe stop. So what I'm going to do is put my toe stop in and then push myself away with it. Toe stop in, push myself away. Toe stop in, push myself away. So thinking about the slide that we did at the beginning, that's what we're doing now. So we put that in, my weight goes on here and I pull myself back. And then my weight goes on here and I pull myself back. So I'm doing the slide as well. What we're doing at the moment is this flat toe. But what gives this trick the moonwalk is you go past there. So what happens is you've got your front truck off the ground and you go here and push back. We're going to try it moving with the lifting of the front truck. Now don't try this until you've got the previous way really solid, because if you get a wobble on this, you can overextend your ankle. So I need you to be careful and make sure that your boots are supporting your ankle before you try it. Right, let's do it. So a bit of a roll backwards and then think of the exact same move, but this time you're going to lift that front truck and push. Lift the front truck and push. Once you've got that down, basically you need to just keep practicing until you can get it at a constant speed. But once you do manage to get it, it's a great feeling and you can't beat it. I feel like someone's watching me. Quick tip on this one. To get that kind of robotic look, you need to get the toe stop down and up onto the front with the truck lifted as quickly as you can to get that kind of snap movement. So once you've really got this down, you can put on some music to have a jam to, like a Smooth Criminal, or maybe something that sounds like Michael Jackson to avoid some copyright issues. I hope you've really enjoyed learning this one. Once you get it down, it really is a thrill. I'm Katie, you've been watching Skatie, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Cameraman's playing up tonight, a little sass pot. Right, here we go. Oh, now he's doing sad face. Oh. Okay.